We've climbed the tallest mountains, we've mapped jungles, deserts, and even walked on the moon. But the greatest mystery of our planet still lies below our feet: the ocean. It covers over 70% of Earth's surface, yet we've explored less of it than the surface of Mars. We've drilled into it, fished from it, and turned it into the background of reality TV. But beneath the surface, in the freezing, crushing black, are things we still don't understand. These are 7 of the ocean's most mysterious secrets that science still has not figured out. Imagine sailing through pitch black night and suddenly the sea around your ship start glowing. Not a reflection, but its own light. This surreal phenomenon is called the Milky Sea. It can span 15,000 square kilometers, glowing with a soft bluish white hue. Sailors told stories for centuries, and scientists dismissed them until satellite images in 1995 confirm it. So what caused it? The leading theory? Massive blooms of bioluminescence bacteria, glowing unison. But how do trillions of bacteria synchronize? Why only in certain parts of the world? And why does it vanish overnight? We still don't know. Underwater lakes? Sounds like sci-fi, but they're real and we've seen them. Called brine pools, these are pockets of water on the seafloor that are 4 times saltier than the ocean. They are so dense that submarines can literally float on them like boats on a hidden lake beneath the sea. They are toxic to most life, yet they are filled with unique salt-loving microbes. Some even support mussel colonies that survive by absorbing methane from the brine. But why do some of these pools support life and others don't? How many of these underwater lakes are out there? No one really knows. Here's the wild part. We have better maps of the moon, Mars, and Venus than we do of Earth ocean floor. According to NOAA, 95% of the ocean bottom has never been seen directly. The best global seafloor maps we have are based on satellite data and only have a resolution of 5 kilometers. In comparison, Mars is mapped down to 100 meters. This means we might be completely missing shipwrecks, rare minerals, and ancient landforms, even unknown ecosystems hiding beneath the waves right here on Earth. In 1992, scientists picked up a strange whale call in the Pacific. It sounded like a blue whale, but at 52 Hz, far higher than the usual 15 to 20 Hz range. That sound has never been heard from any other whale. The creature became known as 52 Blue, the loneliest whale in the world. Is it truly alone? Maybe, maybe not. Some researchers think other whales might hear it, even if they cannot respond on the same pitch. Others believe it might be a hybrid or a mutated vocal system. It migrates alone, no pod, no reply, but its song still echoes through the deep. For decades, scientists have listened to the ocean with underwater microphones called hydrophones. Among all the clicks and groans, one sound stood out. Discovered in 1991, the sound known as Upsweep repeats seasonally, most in spring and fall. It sounds like a rising alarm, something you'd hear in a sci-fi spaceship. Researchers traced it to an active area in the Pacific Ocean, but to this day, the exact source of the upsweep remains unknown. Some say it's volcanic, others think it might be ice cracking, but for now, it's just a mystery humming through the deep. You've heard of the legend kraken, sea monsters, and giant squids. But here's the thing, many deep sea creatures really are enormous. Giant isopods, colossal squids, spider crabs with legs like oars. This isn't myth. It's a phenomenon called deep sea gigantism. Why does it happen? Some theories point to cold temperatures. Larger bodies retain heat better. Others say low food availability favors slower, bigger creatures with lower metabolism. But the truth? We still don't fully understand why the deep produces giants. We've seen only a fraction of what's down there. If you think the ocean ends at the bottom, think again. In 2015, a researcher drilled 2.5 kilometers below the seafloor and found life. Living microbes surviving in extreme pressure and heat with no sunlight, no oxygen, nothing but rock. Even more shocking, their DNA was similar to soil bacteria found in forests than to other ocean species. Were these ancient species buried millions of years ago? Have they been evolving in isolation beneath the ocean? We don't know. And if they exist down there, what else might be hidden under Earth's crust? We often say space is the final frontier, but maybe it's the ocean. It's cold, it's dark, it's crushing, and it's still largely unexplored. Every year, new species are discovered, new sounds recorded, new questions asked. These mysteries aren't proof that science is failing. They are reminders that our world is still vast, mysterious, and unfinished. The deeper we go, the more we realize how little we know.